Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the last month of the year. I welcome you all. I wish you all happy new months, and I just want to give you a very important advice when it comes to the month of December. Even from last week, I've started experiencing it. Okay, there are weeks where I have all blues. Okay, when it comes to my account, it's just probably a few reds, but from last week, I've noticed that I was seriously struggling for profitability. You know, I usually tell you guys that if you have a losing day, don't have a losing week. I really struggled, to make sure I did not have a losing week as for last week. And that tells you something, okay? That's why I'm going to be advising you. If you're a beginner trader, just forget about trading in December, okay? Or you can trade with if you usually use maybe 0.2 lot size, maybe you should now reduce to 0.1 lot size because things are going to get a little bit more difficult, okay? And the reason is because this is what we call vacation period, okay? A lot of people are no longer trading. A lot of traders have gone to to probably some have traveled, some have stopped working for the year, and the truth of the matter is volume is going to reduce. Okay, so the volume in the market is going to reduce, which in turn is going to impact the way the market moves. Okay, the way you've known the market to move is going to change a little bit. So these periods are periods where you just don't want to trade if you're not very experienced. I'm telling you about last week. You can see my results, which I'm going to be analyzing. I really struggled to, get a little bit of profit from the market last week. So let's talk about it. Okay, so you can see what I have here. This is minus $32. Okay, so I lost that particular trade, and then I followed up with 2 wins. Okay, so these 2 wins is like about $5. I'll be using approximate values because I don't want to take too much time trying to calculate exact value. Okay, so that's about $5. So 32 minus 5, what's that going to give me? 32 minus 2 is 30, minus 3, then you have 27. So I'm negative $27 as at that point. Then what do you have? I have 2 more losses. Remember, currently I'm on negative $32, right? So 2 more losses followed back to back. And what do we have there? We have minus 17 and minus 11. I'm leaving the other part, the 0.99, 0.04. I'm leaving that part. I just want like a rounded figure. So minus $32, then I lost back to back. Minus 17, minus 11, that gives me minus 28. Okay, so minus 28, adding that to this, okay, adding 28 to this, what would that give me? That's gonna give me minus 60. So at this point I'm down negative 60. Okay, I'm down negative 60. Then I came back with 3 back-to-back wins. Okay, this should also encourage you, please. No, your mentors lose. All right, you might say, oh, you don't post the losses, you only post the profits. Yes, it's intentional. I do that because my aim is to encourage you, not to discourage you. Okay, so if I always post the losses and you get discouraged and you decide not to continue to learn until you get to the level of profitability, I've done you a great disservice. That's just the truth of the matter. I've done you a great disservice because this industry, a lot of money can be made from this industry. The only problem is that it's going to take you some time. The road is not smooth. It will take you some time. You go through ups and downs before you get to the level where you can always squeeze out profits from the market. But once you get to that level is like El Dorado. It's like paradise once you can get to that level. So my aim is not to come here and discourage you. No, I have to keep giving you things that will encourage you so that you keep going. Okay, so you don't fall off in the journey and give up. Okay, so losses come from time to time. All right, so the point is, as I always said, if you have a losing day, don't have a losing week, try to finish with net profits. Your aim is not to avoid losses completely. Losses will happen naturally, but ensure you make more profit than losses so that you can finish with net profit. That's the idea of forex trading. Okay, so I came back with 3 back-to-back profits, and that's what do we have there? I want to calculate that. So 20, I have 20 right there. I have 20, 20. The reason why it's the same value is because I entered 3 trades at the same level and I took my profit at the same point. That's why you have the same values right there. So 20, 20, 20 is 60. So I'm leaving the decimal parts. So since I got plus 60 and negative 60 was already waiting for me, so at this point I am at break even. Okay, hope it makes sense. I'm at break even at this point. That shows you the serious struggle I'm telling you about. Like, it was a struggle for profitability last week. Okay, it's not even last week alone. It's like even before last week, the previous days to prior to last week, I think 2 days before last week, the issue has been coming up. I noticed that there was kind of struggle. Okay, so November and December is not really a great time to trade, but December is going to be a little bit worse. That's my prediction. So it's just as if the market was like, oh, you got 3 back-to-back profits, right? How about we hit you with 3 back-to-back losses again? And that's exactly what happened. Okay, so let me calculate. Minus 14, minus 14, minus 14. So 14, 14, 28, 28, and another 14. 28 plus 10 should give me 38. 38 and 4 is going to give me 42. So at this point, I'm negative $42. Okay, so that's negative 42. Okay, so I'm showing you this so you see how it's going. So negative 42 came back with 2 back-to-back profits, and the back-to-back profit is 31.31. So that's 62. Okay, that's $62. So if I got plus 62, sorry, if I got plus 62, so 62 minus 42 leaves me with $20 at that point. Okay, so I have plus $20 right there. Okay, plus $20. So let me move that up. Plus $20. So the market came back at me again with 3 back-to-back losses. On top of my plus $20, I followed up with 3 back-to-back losses. So let's see what that amounts to. I have 17, 6, and 18. Okay, 17 plus 6 should give me 23. 23 plus 18. Okay, 22 plus 18 should give me 40, right? That's 41. Okay, so that's 41 all together. Okay, so I have negative, sorry, at this point I have negative 41. Okay, after the 3 back-to-back losses I had negative $41. Okay, then I got into master team mood because I was really serious about finishing with profit. This what's it called, this trading last week wanted me to just finish with losses, but I came back to back. Okay, I had a lot of back to back wins. Even when it was, you can see what happened around here. I was taking small wins because I didn't want to, I didn't want to give up whatever I had. It was like very quick scalps at that level. Okay, then I came with a bigger one right here. So don't forget, right now I'm negative $41. So let me add up all these wins. Okay, so with these wins that I have down here, that's $1, $1, sorry, 1 plus 1, that's 2, 2 plus 0, that's 2, and 2 plus another 0, that's 2. Okay, then what do I have down there? Right here I have 44. Okay, so I hope I have not skipped any part. So if I have 44, and I had negative 41 waiting for me before, so at the end of the day, that's about $3. I think I made a mistake somewhere. because when I did the calculation the last time, the total amount was 30. Okay, so I guess I skipped a part. Let's see. I would like to do the calculation again. That would waste time. Okay, but I finished with net profit, a small amount of profit actually. So the main idea, if you follow the calculation, you can check to see probably where I made a mistake, because I've done it before and it was, the amount I got was higher than that. Okay, but the point I'm trying to make is that around these periods you might find yourself struggling. Okay, when it comes to your trading results. Okay, and the reason is because of the festive periods, the holiday periods that we are stepping into. So you need to be more careful with your trading around this time. If you are inexperienced, just go into learning mode. Okay, start learning, forget about the trading, active trading. Okay, you can be using a demo account, no problem, but dive into learning. Then from January you can start the actual trading. All right, so if you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.